Nigeria, dem dey claim say they are the most smartest people. Like dem na go school pass. You dey understand say dem na know book pass. But think if you sit down and think, if una na know book pass, na one tribe go come una territory kill una king, una no get say to talk. Una dey claim say una na dey rule pass, una na get power pass. You know as the way the Ijaw tribe dey like dis, you no fit kill the king of Ijaw tribe say the Ijaw tribe no go born another, like wey dem no go fight back. You no fit try am. E no go fit happen for Nigeria. Dat one na something wey no go fit happen. Say if e happen dat the Ijaw will no fight back, e no go fit like. We no go make the thing say na war but we go do our things well in a way like the tribe dat did dat thing will know dat dis people are not be people dey will deal with. You dey understand oo. But to me, it's a shame for the Yoruba tribe. It's a big shame and a big blow for their eye. They kill a king in Ondo state. Dat is one of my state. I came from Delta and Ondo. You know. So dat is something that I don't like it and I hate it. I hate it and I hate it very well. Why you see the Yoruba people dey claim say na dem na know book pass. You know book pass, na dey kill una king, dey dey slaughter una people anyhow. You can't kill Ijaw people, you can't kill 20 of Ijaw people, 20 wey dem no go answer you. Dem no go even lis ten to the government, dem go answer dem go fight a fight before the government retaliate. And you know they will fight, they will stood the ground before the government retaliate. So Yoruba people, una just shift comot for dat place of leadership of the southern region so dat make the tribe wey go fit handle and secure the life and property for the southern region. So that's what I'm trying to say. And Yoruba people, leave the Robos, the Ijaws, the Benin, the Shekiris, the Calabars to be the center front of the leadership. I no dey see say una even una territory una no fit even secure yourself. Dem dey kill king, una no get say. Dey kill the king of a Yoruba land. It's a taboo. Some group of tribe come and kidnap una king, una no fight back. No. It's a shame from the Yoruba nation. It's a shame and it's a big blow